You never know when you head out for your walk how much you'll get in before rain moves in. It's there. It's already sprinkling here. You can't see it over here as much. But on the other side you can. He's just happy to be here, even if it's sprinkling. This is what it's doing, but you can't see on the other side. It was fine for a while, and then Orpheus and I had to make a run right at the end. Actually, I was making the run. He was still quite fine in this rain and all. You're fine, aren't you? You don't mind the rain at all. No, you don't. Okay. Good old Rufus doing a good job cleaning things up today, as always.